Hey guys, David here with SumZero. Welcome to our Hopkinton project. This is a cool one because you get a glimpse of a little bit of everything that we do here. We installed a high efficiency boiler and indirect water heater, a mixed Mitsubishi system, and spray foam on the roof. Here we have a high efficiency Wiesmann gas boiler. What makes it so special is that it has variable speed technology. Traditional systems are either on or off. The variable speed uses the exact amount of energy required to heat the house, saving you energy and money. The indirect water heater is much more efficient than a traditional one. The benefits is that it lasts much longer, it's more efficient, and has a lifetime warranty. This beautiful boiler system will keep you warm and happy. Here we have a mixed Mitsubishi system. It is mixed because we have 2 ductless systems and 1 ducted system in the attic, and all 3 connect to 1 outdoor unit. The reason we went ducted on the 2nd floor is because there are several rooms to target. Getting a wall-mounted system on each bedroom would be a little redundant and take a lot of wall space. Therefore, we decided to put an air handler in the attic and put a supply and return in each bedroom. This allows for efficient cooling and filtration of the air. The 2 wall units on the 1st floor allow for better control of each zone in the 1st floor, as well as getting the required cooling of each place. Each wall-mounted unit on the 1st floor allows for individual temperature control for maximum comfort without all the bulky ductwork. This Mitsubishi system will be primarily used for air conditioning, although it does have heat which can be used as a supplement in the shoulder seasons. Here we have an ERV, which stands for Energy Recovery Ventilator. What this does is removes the stale air from inside the house, brings fresh air from outside, filters it, and brings it into the house using the existing ductwork. The ERV will improve air quality, humidity, and comfort throughout the house. Here we have SprayFoam Insulation. We went with the hybrid method, which in this case was 2 inches of closed cell foam with 6 inches of open cell foam on top of it. This hybrid method is a cost-effective solution to achieve an airtight barrier. This barrier traps your heat in the wintertime and your air conditioning in the summertime, saving you energy all year round. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. This is David with SumZero Energy. Check us out on our website and social.